My NVDA cash secured put is expiring out of the money today, so I'm selling a new one. I compared 4 different expiration dates, expecting one to clearly offer the best annualized rate of return. Instead, they all came in at almost exactly the same rate. That completely changed my decision. Rather than chasing a tiny difference in percentage return, I went for the bird in the hand, the trade that put the most cash in my account today, enough to buy 2 more shares of NVIDIA with money left over. Let me show you how I compared the alternatives and why I chose the one I did. NVIDIA has been hovering around 210 all day today. This $200 cash secured put is expiring at the end of the day, so I'm going to leave it to do that and sell a new one. I've already chosen my strike price of $200, so I'm going to compare the possible returns for a 7, 14, 21, or 28-day roll. The July 31st expiration would bring me about $115, and that would be an almost 30% annualized rate of return. Going out 14 days to August 7th, $244 would give me a 31.81% return. $350 for a 21-day contract would give me about 30.42%, and $460 of income for a 28-day roll gives me exactly the same return that I would get for a 7-day roll. When I look at these returns, they are all essentially the same. And since I've already decided that $200 is a reasonable strike price and one at which I would be willing to be assigned, it makes the most sense for me to go ahead and lock in $460 of income right now, and that's enough to pay for 1 or even 2 more shares with cash left over. I'm going to ask for $463, and since while I was placing the order it looks like the bid and ask actually dropped by a few dollars, I'll edit it and ask for $459. The order filled at $460. And since I just brought in almost $460 in cash, I'm going to go ahead and buy 2 more shares. Now I'll sum my total expense and income and divide by the 182 shares in the account. I am out of pocket $19,964.06 divided by 182 shares. So I reduced my average adjusted cost per share to $109.62. The current net liquidating value of this position is $38,199. So if I sum my total expense and the current value, my position is now showing a profit of $18,234 since I started trading NVIDIA in this account. Some of this is unrealized gain based on increase in the share price, and some of it is realized gain from the options premium.